Assalamualaikum and hello, this is our video book assignment, Assessing Transportation Logistics for White Shrimps, Nematopolymer Status, Marketing using ArcGIS Network Analysis.
Nigeria coastal area are rich in white shrimp, a valuable marine resource. However, poor road infrastructure and fragmented markets hinder efficient distribution. This study used ArcGIS network analysis to assess transportation logistics within a 500-kilometer radius of processing and marketing centers in Ondo State, aiming to optimize shrimp trade routes and reduce costs. There are few issues addressed in this study, which is accessibility challenge, lack of logistic planning, market centralization, and economic inefficiency, which can be explained by the lack of efficient transportation, logistic, and market accessibility for white shrimp in Nigeria, particularly for landlocked areas that are distant from coastal shrimp processing and marketing centers.
Secondly is the GIS software used in this study. It's a ArcGIS 10.5 Geographic Information System software developed by the Environmental System Research Institute (ESRI), where the specific function in the network analysis tools, which is used to analyze the shortened routes between the city and the processing area or market. ArcGIS 10.5 software has been used to analyze the road network and identify the short routes that need to be taken to ensure the logistics of the white shrimps in the Ondo State, Nigeria can be carried out quickly.
Hello everyone, my name is NURAIRIN binti Noor and my metric number is BB2110530. For today, I will explain 3.0, the type of GIS analysis used. The type is buffering, network analysis, and shorted route. Firstly is buffering. Buffering is the process of creating a space around the area such as point, line, and polygon. The logistics of the transportation for white shrimp trader will be evaluated, which is a 500-kilometer buffer for the processing and marketing area. Secondly, network analysis. This is to estimate the shorted route such as road to the marketing area supported by the spatial. Shorted route is the types of network analysis which aim to reduce logistic costs, save time and distance. In this study, Igbokoda market area is the shorted route to the study. Now we move to 4.0, the GIS output and finding. For the output, it shows that Table 1 had the shortest road city in Nigeria. For example, for the North Central Zone, Kaba, the first city, had the shortest road. For the Southeast Zone is Onitsha City, while for the South Zone is Expoma City, then the Southwest Zone, Ore City. This city is close to white shrimp and the transportation cost is cheaper than other city. While for this map 1, there are many short roads along to the map, which we can see the green road is closer to the supermarket and the white shrimp area, which is the marketing area. So that's all from me. Thank you.
So let's move to the finding. The main finding from this study is travel distance to delivery product to Igbokoda. The finding found that travel distance of shrimps shipment varies according to the type of transportation used. The road transport was the best transport with the shortest distance to reach Igbokoda, while water transport was the second option with the greater distance compared to the road transport. However, the road transport is most suitable for transporting shrimps product in the smallest quantity, while water transport is more suitable and efficient for the largest quantity, even with the longer and the slower travel distance. Moreover, short transportation routes are not necessarily the best option in terms of cost. Igbokoda as the shortest route, however, the cost of the shrimp is so high. Shrimps from Umbonla is relatively cheaper than the Igbokoda, resulting in the lower cost per kilogram even over long distance. Lastly, the differences in the price of shrimps from the different area. The finding found that the estimated price of the shrimp per kilogram is lower if obtained from the processing area compared to the main market during the peak season. This can be shown in the price of the cost of white shrimp per kilogram from Ukbonla to Ondo and Oreo. It's from $4.03 until $4.99 cheaper compared to the cost price of shrimps per kilogram from the Ingbokoda to the same location is $4.30 until $4.70. The cost of shrimps from the Ukbonla is cheaper than the Ingbokoda, even though it has a longer distance.
The study concludes that although Ingbokoda offers shorter routes, sourcing shrimp from Ukbonla is more cost-effective overall. This insight is crucial for landlocked area with limited access to marine products. By estimating cost, distance, and budget for peak and peak off-season, this study helped traders plan logistics and investment and suggests that developing a shrimp market in Ukbonla could stimulate local economic growth.